Hello. Sir, what's your name, sir? Segawa, you're the Segawa. Wow, what are you doing here? Which company are you representing? SolarNow. Good. What are you doing here now?
I'm installing the solar system.
Solar system. Will it be working today?
Obviously, yes.
Obviously?
It's 70% charged.
70% charged. Thank you very, very much. So this is your team.
Yeah.
Sir, what's your name, sir?
Katabaz
Katabaz Hussein. What are you doing here?
I'm installing a solar system.
Solar system, Good, 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 good. So you say, can you show me some of the work you've done?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you mean you've done 3/4 of the work?
At least I've done some.
Some work. Okay. Good.
So here is
So here is the station, workstation. You can see the ladders that have been hung up.
yeah.
They are climbing and putting on. Could you explain to me what that is?
Now this is our power station.
Power station.
From the panel,
Uh-huh.
we come straight to the